figured that today would be a great day to make something hearty and yummy like liver and onions. You need vegetable oil, the milk beverage of your choice, chicken livers, flour, an onion, and seasoning. I choose paprika, garlic, salt, and onion powder. Take 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it up in your skillet until it's hot enough to fry. And then chop your medium sweet onion. Place your medium sweet onion in your hot skillet to brown. While your onion is caramelizing in your hot skillet, I personally take this time to make my biscuits. And this is the type of biscuit I choose to make. And then I cut them out and put them in the refrigerator until it is time to bake them, which is about an hour. So after a while, your onion is beautifully browned and caramelized, and it's just brought out the wonderful sweet flavor of the onion. Dry your chicken livers on the paper towel and then dip them in the flour. Place your chicken livers in the hot skillet. Turn your liver every 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure that your liver has reached the internal temperature of 165 degrees. And then move the liver around the pan and scrape off all those little burned bits of goodness. That's what I call them. It's just delicious. Okay, so at this point, you add your 2 cups of milk. I choose almond milk because if you know me, you know I hate cow's milk. I just hate it. And 3 or 4 tablespoons of flour. You heat your milk and flour mixture until it's bubbly and it's also reached 165 degrees. It helps to heat faster if you put a lid on your liver and onions and gravy. These are my biscuits. I eat my biscuits separate of my liver and onions. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you. I release videos about once or twice a week. So I hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.